I just wanted to make this video to show you this very special little lamb. At first glance, you might think, oh, something doesn't look quite right here, and you would be correct. No, it doesn't have two tails. But what this little lamb is doing is it's wearing lamb pajamas. So this tail actually belongs to this skin, which is fit like a glove over the top of its original wool. And the purpose of this skin is to make the mother believe that this is her lamb that died. So in early hours of this morning, this ewe gave birth to a single lamb, and it was born dead. It was never alive. But she still bonded with it, licked it, and protected it when it was in the pen. And then this lamb's mother, only had one teat working, and you were a twin, weren't you? So what we've done is I took the skin off this ewe's lamb very carefully so that it had proper little leg holes and the original tail, and you pull it on like a nice tight pair of jeans when you have to lie on your bed and breathe in. It was a very snug fit, but you can see the little leg holes there, and the leg one here, it fits you oh, there it is there. There's another leg hole there. And it's even got the original lamb's umbilical cord, which is amazing, because what the ewe does is it smells the bottom area with the original tail, then it smells the umbilical cord, and all it can smell is the lamb that it bonded with, not the lamb underneath. And as a result of that, she has taken to this lamb and she is so in love with it. So it was just having a drink then. I haven't had any problems with her trying to hurt it because, sheep are not the all-loving creatures you might think. If they suspect a lamb is not theirs, they would rather kill it than feed it. And how they do that is they either stomp on it, they pummel their head against it into the railings here. Oh, look at that. She's licking its bottom, nuzzling it. This is beautiful signs to show that she's truly bonded with it. So after a couple of days, this skin does start to get a bit smelly, obviously. I like to leave it on for 2 days. And then sometimes what I do is I remove the back end of the skin, and then I leave the front bit of the skin on just for another day, just in case. And then once the skin's fully off, then we'll leave it in the pen probably for another day. So it takes 4 days really before I'm convinced the bonding process has been successful and that they've taken and loved their new baby as if it's their own. And then they can go into a bigger turnout pen then. But I just thought it's a lovely thing to see, a successful adoption, a very content and happy mother, and a delighted lamb, as you can see. They'd much rather have a mum than be drinking milk off a bottle. You're very enthusiastic, aren't you? Do you love your new mummy? You do? Oh, there you are. Put your head under there then. Now, the reason why this ewe's lamb probably died is because we've been having an issue with abortion in the flock. Which we've given them injections for now, but we only gave them the injection 2 days ago, but hopefully she's going to be the last one that will give birth to a dead lamb, and the rest now should be alive and strong from this point on. We had lots of lab tests done with the vets. It took quite a long time before we got a diagnosis, but once we did, we moved very swiftly, giving the ewes the antibiotics they needed to prevent it happening. Well, I'm going to leave you on this note, I think. We say bye-bye. Yeah, you go and have another drink. That's it. Put your head under there, sweetie. There you go.